for this volleyball game between UST and the defending back-to-back champions De La Salle University, as La Salle climbs out of a 0-2 hole to stretch it to a 5th and deciding set.
This is a 4th set that De La Salle really showed that they want to keep that unblemished record in the elimination. Sabi ko nga, very important yung 4th set, and De La Salle made sure that they extended to a 5th. Abigail Moraño keeping that fire that they got in the 3rd set alive in the 4th. Gumabaw also pitching in and getting those points through her blocks. And itong UST, again, the same problem with their reception, same problem with being predictable, and even Reyes, who was very, very quiet in the first 2 sets, had some points, back-to-back points even, in the middle attack. So De La Salle team, like what you said, with that championship experience, with the pride that they have, won't just roll over and give it their first match of the season away. Even to a strong team such as UST, they're here to win this one and again defend their title. 13 attack points even for both teams. 4 blocks for De La Salle. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. When they have a hold of the blocking, it's so tough to get an attack through them and get a point. Service aces, ayan, pero unforced errors, 8 against 7, di masyadong malayo, but UST, I would believe, had more reception errors together with those service errors that were very, very crucial.
Well, no service aces, but 6 service errors.
Yun ang masakit
for UST.
And those happened during the times that they would score 2 points back-to-back, then yun, service error, and that cuts the momentum and that cuts the rally right there. So, doon hindi nakahabol ang UST doon sa 4th set. Crucial 5th, this is only up to 15.
Speed round, as we call it. The speed round.
Ito na yun. And this will really determine, this is, I think, still a test for Lantin. Itong ganitong kind of a 5th set match.
And this is where the veterans should kick in, really, for both teams. And as they always say about the 5th set, it's more mental than anything else already. Let's check in quickly with Judy Sarrell. Her team has climbed out of a 0-2 hole.
There are a few reminders given to the ladies. Coach Ramil told them to stay focused and double the aggressiveness this set. Also, he wants the lady Spikers to be aware on all sides of the court and just play the La Salle way. Diin ni Coach, pagod na din yung mga yan, samantalahin natin. Pagpasok nyo sa loob, wag lang natin isipin na atin tong larong to. Gawin natin. Boomin Ian.
Thank you very much. Judy, you know, as a defending champion, sabi nga nila, any team that goes up against you will always bring their A game. Regardless. Kasi ikaw nga yung defending champion. So, they have... lagi. At kitang-kita mo yung unang 2 set no, na pinagandaan ng UST at may konting laglag yung laro ng La Salle. Pero nakabawi. At nandito na po tayo, lamang ng isa ang La Salle here in the 5th. Checked at the net again. Lantin had no chance against Michelle Gumabaw in that sequence.
Over-received by Maru.
Let's go to Apple David now.
Bumaniyan ang sabi ni Coach Ogie sa Tigers says, girls, pag umatake kayo, magtiwala kayo. Ang goal dapat pag umatake ay hindi lang ma-over yung bola. Ang goal dapat yung makapuntos. He's trying to, the Tigers are saying, focus. Huwag kayong magsawa. Depensa, atake lang. Lastly, teamwork. Magtulungan at mag-usap kayo sa loob ng court para maiwasan ang error. Bumaniyan.
Ayun na nga, atake. Micah Ortiz.
Who I feel should really take charge of this 5th set.
Offensively, yes.
Because Cavallejo, Banaticla, very unstable and, you know, they lack consistency for this match. Itong si Micah, been quiet for the past 2 sets. I think now's her time to really be more active over at the net.
Set back. Esperanza back set to Gumabaw. Over-received rather. So Chu tried to go to the corner pero wala na namang spin.
Second time, miss hit from Q. Tied at 2 here in the 5th.
Two all. Bad reception by Galang. Gumabaw on the 3rd ball, easy over. Ulit kay Ortiz. They're looking, no touch.
That's wide.
La Salle ball, La Salle point.
That's the play they wanted though. Yun talaga yung Gusto nilang gawing play, but, execution wasn't there for Micah. Overcooked it to the left.
3 serving 2. Back set to Caballejo. Through the block.
Nice cross court.
Over the block, actually. Magkalayo rin yung blocking.
A big gap in between.
Ito, kita natin. Pero kahit na, talaga.
Kabila pinito.
Cross court talaga. Fajardo is being groomed here and set here by Coach Ramila. And this crucial 5th set. Tignan natin kung ipapasok niya. Lantin.
Nice dig there by Esperanza.
Galang sends it over easily.
Maru asking for it.
Oo. Open. Maranyo was there. Back set to Gumabaw. Malapit sa net. Maranyo able to pick it up. Malapit
Too
sa net
close.
uli.
That's too close.
Left hand by Galang on the adjustment. And then, tinawakan ba yung net? Tinawakan ba yung net? Oh, yun yata yung tawag, Ano, it's outside.
Yeah, no touch.
No
She
touch.
wanted to hit it off the
Outside.
block.
Okay.
That normally happens if you want to swipe it off the block.
I thought she hit the net.
She also did.
No.
Yun, sumabit yung kamay.
So, UST takes over the lead.
Oh, yeah.
Doc,
Ooh.
ganun lang.
This one going to our fans here. Or rather, right. Ito na, 5-3.
That's crucial. Remember, straight to 15 lang tayo.
What a match we're seeing.
5 serving 3. Tape of the net. Saved. What a recovery by LaSalle. But UST now, courtesy of Banaticla, sends it over. Back set.
Nice set.
Gumabaw.
Outside!
Oh, no, it's long. It's long.
Outside!
Oh, nabuhay yung UST fans dito sa arena.
Wow!
Gumabaw, can't believe it.
Yeah, I really thought that was a good set from Esperanza. All the blockers were really compressed over to the right.
3-point lead for the Growling Tigers. Sorry, the Tigresses.
Kumapalo din kasama natin, gusto natin, ayaw natin, i-compress natin. Lahat na kumapalo, compress na doon. Maging aggressive kayo sa lahat. Hindi po pwede pag lumasin bola, ayaw na natin kusundan yung kalaban yung kasama natin. Maging aggressive lagi. Hindi mo pwedeng mabagal ang gagawin. Naiintindihan? Kaya magpasa. Isip mo na tayo, magpasa sa tao, sa setter. Tayo yung setter, kung ano gagawin. Tayo tayo na yung
Yun na naman ang nangyari, Doc Ian. Yung paalala niya dun sa timeout, matagal-tagal natin hindi narinig yun.
Oo.
Yung maging aggressive. Ito, tingnan mo.
Layo pa
Layo,
na.
it's out.
Layo. And the USC crowd who have been quiet for the past two sets,
Yes.
biglang nabuhay dito sa 5th.
Abante ng tatlo. 5th and final set.
And I like that timeout of Coach Ramil. Even if it's an early one, 6-3, maaga pa, meron pa natin.
Oo.
Pero alam niya, this is
Mabigat,
slipping
mabigat,
away if this
mabigat.
goes on.
Momentum definitely on the UST side.
If they had, sorry, Boom.
Yes, go ahead, Doc.
If they had 4 service errors in that or 6 in that third set, nabawi na agad with 3 service aces dito pa lang sa 5th.
Lamang ng 4. And the pressure is on the defending champs here who have crawled back from 2 sets down. Good find by Reyes at the corner to ease a little bit of that pressure. Nika Reyes will go to the serving deck. 4 serving 7. 5th set. 4th game for opening weekend. Oh! Almost.
Parang labas sa gilid eh.
Banaticla going with a dig. Galang.
Nice set from Lantin.
Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Ramira, yung aggressiveness, yung mga easy over ng Lasal, yung mga top spin lang.
Hindi pwede.
Hindi na pwede ngayon yan. Lalo na, napaka-confident ng UST dito sa 5th set.
Look at that
cross court.
Yeah.
Which is the specialty, really, of Maru Banaticla.
Look at how happy Maru is because she's been really inconsistent.
This game.
For the past 2 sets, but that could be the key attack that could bring her back to